Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, April 3rd. We all know by now that when we begin tuning in mindfully to our experience, we may also start to notice our difficulties and struggles. Part of mindfulness is recognizing what we need in these moments. And I invite you to respond in a way that promotes your well-being and freedom, and not in a way that perpetuates your pain and suffering. The exercise we're going to do today offers a concrete way to pause and look at your needs in any given moment. So let's give it a go. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. For this particular practice, it is helpful to start with a few moments of concentration practice so that you can truly settle. So pick a location in the body where you can feel the body breathing and tune into the sensations of the breath for the next minute or so. I'll be silent. Now bring to mind a recent situation that you found difficult or painful. Without falling too far into the storyline, acknowledge how this experience feels right now in the present moment. With the memory and experience present in your consciousness, ask yourself what you needed in that moment. Focus on general emotional needs like compassion, understanding, and insight. With this difficulty, what would have helped you? And when a need pops up, say to yourself, I needed, fill in the blank. And then continue to tune into other needs, really pausing to acknowledge each one and saying to yourself, I needed this and that. Again, I'll give you about a minute in silence. Now turn your awareness to your experience in the present moment, refraining from stories and goals. Ask yourself what you need right now. Try to steer clear of any thoughts about getting stuff done, completing tasks, and pleasing others. Instead, focus on your deeper needs, the needs of self-care, patience, or whatever is true for you right now. Again, I'll be silent for a while. And finally, reflect on your own capacity to meet your needs. Can you do something to meet those needs right now? Are there any needs you have that are not within your power to fulfill? Whatever comes up, offer yourself self-care, compassion, and patience. Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself, with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue this practice. Anytime that a difficulty arises, see if you can pause for a moment and recognize your needs and see if you yourself can meet those needs in the moment. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.